Hi Cherry, thanks for coming to film 409 Bloor Street, Penthouse 3. It's an incredible 2,750 square foot suite, so we're going to try and do it reasonably quickly to keep the virtual open house video short. So come on, I'll show you them. First off, we just want to show you that there are two elevators actually that come, you can come straight from the two-car parking that is included in the purchase price here, and either one of them will come into your suite. There's some nice coffered ceilings in this hallway, as well as interesting kind of art deco. The whole building's a little bit art deco in terms of the design. And then come have a look at this beautiful room and I'll give you some more details. So that's just a quick view of the living and dining area, which of course, part of really what is the beauty of this suite is the view. It's overlooking Rosedale Ravine. The building itself is actually aptly called the Rosedale. And it's situated perfectly, it's on Bloor Street, so you can easily get to Bloor Street shops, so you can walk to Yorkville, you can walk to the Danforth over the bridge, and you can also walk to Church Street. But we have some beautiful pictures of this in the fall that we will also include to the video. It's actually a 3+1 bedroom, but this, you know, look, everyone needs more office space and play space, so this could actually technically be a fourth bedroom, which would be a fantastic bedroom. That if somebody wanted to put a closet into it or an extra office. And you know, I'll just keep talking about the view, but I better just probably take you over to the kitchen. All right, I just want to point out that there are pocket doors here. We're actually envisioning that probably somebody might just blow this wall out here because the building is actually about 25 years old, so the kitchen, you know, it does have some nice countertops. It's actually great space. It's bright, but there is a building going out next door. The building is going to be actually the hipper version is called Canopy of the Hilton hotel chain. They've been opening them all over the world, in Brazil and Iceland and all over the States. So there is one going next door along with a new condominium. So we're thinking that somebody's probably just going to build this whole wall as cabinetry, open the whole thing up, and probably put a new kitchen in. And then I'll just take you over to the bedrooms. So as we go into the bedroom area, there is actually a laundry room. It's got a new washer and dryer, but we'll just kind of keep moving. There's a double coat closet, and there's also another closet here that has shelves in for purses, shoes. But this now takes you into the east wing, where there's 3 rooms. Let's start with the master. And again, I'm trying not to talk about the view too much because I actually love it. I mean, if this was in New York overlooking Central Park, one can only imagine. But so yeah, it's a really big, beautiful master bedroom. Sherry, I'll just let you go and have a little look at the master ensuite there. There's a room for a large tub. It does have a stand-up shower, double sinks, and of course your water closet. And this room, depending on who's buying it, I mean, it could be a family that, you know, wants to use it as a 4-bedroom, or it could also be a couple. I'm going to show you there's a beautiful room on the other side that could also make a great dressing room. So I wouldn't be surprised if a couple buys it and they just knock that wall out, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So this section does have another 4-piece bath here with a bathtub as well. And then this room, if you look online over here, this is actually currently, well, we've got it set up as a gym, but online we also showed a virtual reality of it as a child's bedroom. And then this is the other room that could be part of the master if you actually did want to have like a proper dressing room or an office. So we are now actually in this room on the south side. The condominium actually does have north, east, west, and south views. And this is the east-south view that on a nice day you can actually see Lake Ontario. This whole floor, that's the beautiful thing of this condominium, being at 2,750 square feet, you can do all kinds of things. So there's still one other bedroom on the east wing that I'll show you. So I'm letting Cherry walk all the way across the condominium so you get a sense of the scope of it. So that's the east side that you've just seen. And now this bathroom could actually be used as a powder room if you're, you know, having a dinner party or something, depending on what you're using this room as. because this could be an office, it could be a third bedroom. It is actually a full 3-piece bathroom there. And then this room again is facing south. It does have a double mirrored closet. And that's the end of the tour. Thanks a lot for showing up. I'm going to ask Cherry if she would be so kind to maybe do a quick little overview in Mandarin for us. Thanks again.
我们是 Sotheby's 的 Dory Chu Team， 谢谢你们今天来看我们的 Open House Tour。这里是409 Bloor Street East 的 Penthouse Street， 这里呢有2750尺，然后是全楼的一个套房，是一个3+1的套房，也有可能有4个房间。如果你想知道更多资讯的话，请到我们的网站来看更多资料。谢谢。